Everything's gonna be upside down for a while. But anyway. You want to move to another spot, Miss Francis?
Let me get this bread.
Well, let's move to another spot and feed a few more. We got a couple more loaves in the truck. I take all my old bread. If I feed it to the birds at the house, out back, and the squirrels, they eat it. But we had a few loaves. When it goes out of date, we don't eat the whole loaf. I save 3 or 4 loaves up, and then plus and then I went to the store and bought like 4 more. The cheapest bread I could get, the dollar loaves, and just spiked them up and brought them along too, so we'd have plenty. I like to have plenty when I come. That way, with the old bread and new, it don't cost too much to feed them, because you don't have to buy too many loaves. Just pick up another four loaves and you're okay. Of course, bread's getting up to some of the bread's like $3.50 a loaf for a loaf of bread anymore. I don't know if any of you or daddies ever told you this, but my daddy said, someday, he said way down the road, you have to have a wheelbarrow load of money just to get a loaf of bread. And it's getting that way. It ain't that close yet, but it's $3 and something for a loaf of bread. I remember we used to buy bread for 49 cents, and I'm not that old. I used to buy 3 or 4 loaves of bread for $1. I remember 8 loaves of bread for $1 one time when I lived up north, and I remember 5 loaves easy, 4 and 5 loaves. Not anymore.
Hey, look at this heron right here.
That was when I was growing up, and
it's a great fisherman.
late 70s. That's a different kind of bird. That's not a blue heron. That's another kind of a bird. I don't know what these are called.
It's a great fisherman right here, Flo.
He gets a lot of, I don't know what he's called.
There you go, Flo.
Blue heron's got blue on him. He was over there. Well, I showed him to you earlier. There he is down there. He's blue. That's the blue heron, I believe, right there. She just throwed the bread to. This guy here is a different guy. I'm not sure what he is. He eats fish though, but he eats bread too. But he'll stand in the water and they stand there all day and wait for a fish to come by and they reach down and swallow him down. You got all different kinds of ducks down here. You got like the Canadian mallards, and you got the little brown ducks. You got the one with the green head there. Duck, hear him quack, 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 quacking. You got little speckled ones back there. And all kinds of duckies. He's coming up closer now. Here he comes. Isn't he pretty? That's a Canadian duck, like the Canadian. There's a brown one behind him. Might be his mate. Of course, there's another back there that might be his mate too. Might be. Pretty. Francis, give these 2 duckies here something. They want something. These ones right here. They're asking nicely. They're quacking. They ain't gonna get it because they can't get none because of the booty holes. I can't get it to them because then I throw it. They struggle every time. They can't get one piece of it. Here, buddy. Come here. I know you guys will take it on my hand too. Here. You can't do nothing with them. You can't get them out of the way. They sit and watch. He can't even eat in peace. See him chasing. He'd dive in the water to get his piece of bread I gave him. Because they won't let him eat in peace. This guy here will sit and wait on food all day. You got no more slices in there? No, you're out. trying to get this little brown duck. I ain't gonna be able to get him a piece though because he won't come to me. They're too small. You can't get it to him. Mr. Blackbird got him a piece. He got it midair. He caught it right in the air, that little bird did. I'd rather give it to any of them at the white ones because they're hoggish. There's too many of them. You want to move around another spot? Catch you the next spot, everybody. They even have a feeder here, y'all. You can buy little pellets for them for $1. Little feed machine. We like seedless grapes, cooked rice, peas, corn, oats, and chopped lettuce. It says.
Long beak.
Thought I had this on, I didn't.
See, there's an alligator in here.
Ain't no alligator in here. That's a turtle. Turtle head.
See?
That's fish. That's a fish.
Look at that.
That's a fish bubbling up the top of the water.
That's an alligator.
No, it ain't. There ain't no alligators in here. They won't let alligators in here because they got the swans in here. They will not keep alligators. They take them all out because they protect their swans and the swan babies and stuff. They don't allow alligators in here.
Why the turtle's in here and the otter can't get in here?
Well, they take all the alligators out if any comes in here.
How they know if the alligators comes up in here? They don't know.
Yeah, they keep a monitor on this lake. People stole the little black swan out of the cage the other day out here, and they're mad about it, looking for them. They're going to catch them. They get.
Black swan?
Yeah, they stole the little baby when they was trying to save in the cage, and somebody took him. It's in the paper. Because they sell them on the market and get a bunch of money out of them, I guess. They had cameras up there before watching them. I don't know. Still got them up or not. They probably didn't have them up when they got in. They should leave them up because some people ruin it for everybody else.
Now all the white birds are over here.
Hi, I'm on candid camera.
You wanna play?
Hi, Flo. Would you like to? I think he can outfish me. I doubt it, Flo. I'm good. I stand here in the water all day and catch all kinds of them.
What about you? I catch them every day. Any kind of fish. Catfish,
He-
goo-goo.
He just pecked him on the butt.
Wasp nests?
They getting rowdy. Ducks can't get in them for these white birds. They're just terrible. Oh, you once? I'm sorry, buddy. He took it from me. He pecked me on the side to tell me he wants some more. Hold on. They're gonna peck you, buddy, for it though. They're gonna peck you. He pecked me on the side, let me know I want some. This little guy here can't get none because look at him fighting for it. He had to go out in the water. Seagull took that one.
Seagull?
Yeah. Put the whole slice out there and they'll go into pieces. And what's good soft bread?
I gotta finish up cleaning the house.
Yeah, me and Frances were, she was vacuuming and cleaning the house. We've been working out in the yard a lot. We decided to get away for a little bit and it's relaxing, enjoy it. It's been a while. I think I figured out what these birds are right here, Flo. I just figured out what they are. You need some of that ointment you was putting in stuff in them plastics with the other day. You know what these birds are? They're hemorrhoids. You know why? Because they're such a pain in the butt.
Hemorrhoids.
So you need some ointment to put on them. Yeah, these birds are hemorrhoids because they're a pain in the rear end. You heard that old saying, you should have been a hemorrhoid because you're such a pain in the butt, people used to say to you? Well, that's what these birds are. They're a pain to the other birds. So they're called hemorrhoid birds. Flo's my buddy out there. He calls me to get all this humor though because he tells so much funny stuff. I got to do some too. I was watching that video Flo's the other day and I seen that hemorrhoid ointment there way before he said anything about it. I said, look at this, he's got a hemorrhoid ointment sitting there on the counter. I could read the title before I even seen it. I sent him this jug of stuff for the pool the other day though, a picture of it. Who Peed in My Pool is called. That's the name of the product, Who Peed in My Pool. It's yellow stuff you put in the pool. It's in a yellow jug. That's the name of the brand name, Who Peed in My Pool. PED, I believe. Same a picture of it. So you put it in the eyes of your pool when people pee in it.
Flo. I know. I just don't know about it. Flo.
Look at them pecking just to get that piece of bread. They're so mean. Poor old ducky gets pecked all over when I gave him a piece of bread. And that was stored right on my hand when I was going to hand it to him. They're just mean. Hemorrhoid birds. Hemorrhoid birds. It's a new kind, y'all. And they're growing fast too. I mean, these hemorrhoids are just taking over the world. Just look how many there is. There's tons of them, and this is just one spot now. Imagine all over the world. And there's some on the other side over there. I mean, this is just one area. Look how many hemorrhoids are right here. What? You want to move? Okay, y'all. There's a big swan right there laying down. Big swan. There's a guy fishing right there. You see him? He's fishing. See him standing in the lily pads looking for him a bass. Standing right in the water. Here's another kind of a bird out there. Black one. Different type. Hello, you coming? See everywhere you go. They'll come right in. They ain't even over here. They'll come in. Here's the dog bags here. The dogs walk. Please keep. You can bring your dog down here, but they chase the birds. Some of them do. There's a baby duck. Mom and daddy and baby. Mama, daddy, and baby. Now, isn't that cute? Mama, daddy, and baby. Bird's mad because he can't get out there and get any. That one bird got right in the water. Oh, he said, don't leave us out. Look, come running. They're coming running. Don't leave us out. We want some. Here, I'll see you get some. There's your piece. You better hurry. They're coming after you. He stole half of yours. There's a blue heron again. There's a seashell. Clamshell down there. Another clamshell. There he is, sneaking in the water. You say don't forget you? Hold on, I ain't got no more in this bag, buddy. I can't film and get the bag up. Some more. You shouldn't let it go. Let them guys have it. They're hogs. You have to go get it for him, Mr. Blue Heron. Take it away from the white bird. He'll run him out of there. He'll take it away from him. That's the only thing they're scared of. They're not scared of the ducks. The big guy comes in there, they'll move. He's got a sore on his side. Black duck. I ain't seen an old black one before. He's beautiful. He's beautiful. You can't feed them though because there's buttholes in the water. They won't.
Way over here.
You got one of them white birds actually in the water. They usually don't go nowhere. You got some of them brave enough to go in the water. They won't quit. give it to the ducks. I don't want to give it to them. There's a crow, y'all.
Where?
Right on the sign. Look at that big old crow. Get your shotgun, Flo.
Hey, we get in trouble.
He knows I'm just joking. Up in Ohio, my daddy used to get the crows because he was in the cornfield. That's why I said that, because he's up in Ohio. They used to be in the cornfields, lots of them. Now they all come over here now. There wasn't that many of these here. Where'd they all come from? They must have all called their friends. Mr. Crow took off. The great blue heron. They can't catch no fish, they'll eat bread.
I'm done.
You wanna quit?
done.
You wanna quit?
You can. I don't know. I can film when you doing it.
I got another battery on me somewhere. No. I didn't bring it here. We'll get up at the other battery then. Let's put the camera. It's supposed to be on me, but
It's gonna die, y'all.
I guess we lost the other battery. There's the base from my GoPro. I know I cleaned up